Fiona Stevens, Head of Marketing at LoyaltyLion.
Lovely. Now we're at eCommerce Expo, and I really wanted to ask you, why is it so important for modern companies to make data-driven decisions?
I think data is a really interesting topic at the moment. You've got GDPR came in a couple of years ago, you've got the cookie apocalypse coming up, we've had iOS 14 updates. It's actually getting harder and harder for companies to collect that data. So when you are able to get a customer to share it and give up their data, you need to make sure you're using it really sensibly and responsibly so that they continue to do so. So the decisions you make are in terms of how you use that data, where you push it, which platforms you push it into, and how you use it to personalize your messages is just going to get more and more important. If you want to keep people opted in, then you need to use that data really, really sensibly.
Understood. How can companies sort of go about, embracing and valuing their data more?
I think it's understanding how it's valuable in return to the customer. So, we've gone past the days of first name fields. It needs to be their previous purchases, the things they're passionate about, which are hopefully the same things that your brand is passionate about as well. It's about using data to build a relationship instead of just put a first name into an email.
Yeah. Now, obviously, we're here at eCommerce Expo. What would you say are some of the main takeaways that you're noticing a lot of people talking about right now?
I think the really interesting one for me has been around sustainability. I think that's come up in a lot of our conversations. It's a real challenge for brands. You can't change your operations and behave sustainably overnight. So it's about finding small wins, small places where you can demonstrate that your shipping or your packaging or anything else is really not having a negative impact on the environment, particularly with Black Friday coming up as well. And I think that's something that's been discussed quite a lot. I think also the efficiency between technology platforms, making sure that all of your tools are talking to each other and integrating and data's being passed from one to the other really effectively. That's something that's come up an awful lot as well.